In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create labels for products in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, print-ready label that looks professional and matches your brand. First, open your browser and head to canva.com. Log into your account so you can access your projects and saved uploads. If you're new to Canva, the interface is straightforward and everything we need is available right from the home page. Next, use the search bar at the top and type Product Label, or simply Label. You'll see a gallery of ready-made designs in a variety of shapes and styles. Browse for a template that fits your product's vibe, whether it's minimalist, earthy, or bold, and consider the label's orientation and proportions so it suits your bottle, jar, box, or pouch. Click the template you like to open it in the editor. Now, add your product information. On the left toolbar, click Text, then choose Add a heading. Type your product name and make it the focal point. Add your brand name, then include supporting details such as ingredients or a short description, and the net weight or volume. Establish a clear hierarchy so the most important details stand out at a glance. You can adjust the font, size, and color to match your brand identity. For a polished look, limit yourself to 1 or 2 complementary fonts and check spacing so nothing feels cramped. Bring in your logo or any product photos next. Click Uploads, then Upload Files, and select your logo or images from your device. Drag them onto the label and position them where they balance the text. If you don't have photos, you can add simple icons from the Elements tab to convey features like organic, vegan, or fragrance notes. Keep images high resolution so they print crisply. Customize the design to tie everything together. Change colors to your brand palette, adjust backgrounds, and use shapes to frame key text. Patterns or subtle textures from the Elements tab can add depth without overwhelming the information. Maintain strong contrast for readability and keep text centered or aligned consistently. Use spacing and alignment tools to ensure everything looks neat and intentional. When you're happy with the layout, take a moment to preview your design at 100% zoom to check legibility and fine details. Then click Share in the top right, choose Download, and select PDF Print for the best quality output. This format preserves sharp text and color for professional printing. That's it. You've created a branded product label in Canva that's clear, appealing, and ready to print. Save your file, and you're ready to label your products with confidence.